Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Citibank credit card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Citibank credit card online, open up a web browser. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in www.citi.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the right hand side from the official website of Citibank and go ahead and enter your user ID followed by your password. You'll need to provide your information correct in order to get access to your account. Once you enter your user ID associated with your Citi online banking account, go to the password field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on Remember User ID box beneath. But do not select the box if you're using a public or a shared device. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID or Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset your password or look for your user ID. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet for Citibank, click Register link and follow the instructions. If you'd like to activate your credit card, you can click on Activate link at the bottom right next to Register. Once you've entered all of your information and you'd like to log in, click the Sign On button and you'll be able to land in the main homepage of Citibank. Simply click on the credit card option and you'll be able to log into your credit card account. That is how you can easily log into your credit card account for Citibank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.